Welcome to Python Pandas course. Hi, my name is Pooja Pokhriyal and in today's lecture I am going to introduce the types of incomplete or poor quality data set. So when we talk about poor quality data, it means data can have missing values or it can have values with wrong format, it can have wrong values or it can have duplicates values. So these all lead to poor quality data, right? Now let's consider this data frame. Now you know how data frame looks like. So here we have columns named EMP ID, DOB, Zen and DEPT ID, right? So with each column we have associated values, right? Now you might have noticed we have NaN in some place, right? So NaN means not a number. So when values are missing in data, that is represented as NaN in data frame. So this may lead to poor quality data, right? So here we have missing values and those missing values are represented as NaN in data frame, right? Now let's consider this value and this value. So here you can notice here EMP ID is E005, but in EMP ID we have 00, right? You can see E001, E002 and so on. So this is typing mistake, and here you can see instead of writing D, here we have B, right? Department ID starts with D. Here you can see all department IDs start with D, but here department ID is B001. So these kinds of typing mistake lead to wrong data, right? And this data is poor quality data, right? Now here you can see this row and this row both have same EMP ID or we have same DOB, gender is also same and department ID is also same. So when we have this kind of scenario, that means we have duplicates in our data. So this leads to poor quality data, right? So here you can notice in DOB column we have dates and format is like this. We have day, then month and then year, right? And day, month and year separated with slash. But when we see this DOB, here issue is in format, right? So this again lead to improper data. So this is wrong format. Now you know types of poor quality data, right? Now let's meet in the next lecture to clean this data. Thank you.